also on CTV.ca and the CTV Go app. Closed captioning of this program is brought to you in part by A Christmas Gift to You, the new album from Johnny Reed, available now.
Financial reports are brought to you in part by Visions Electronics Countdown to Christmas Contest. Entry forms in store.
A momentous day in South Africa as tens of thousands gathered.
They united in the largest stadium on the continent to pay their final respects to Nelson Mandela. Also attending one of the largest gatherings of world leaders in history. It was not a perfect day. Torrential downpours kept many at home, but it was a true celebration of a very long and momentous life. CTV's Tom Kennedy was at the stadium and has this report.
There is an African saying, if it rains when you die.